In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong on Google Gemini app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to generate charts on Google Gemini, but each and every time you try, you get this response, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, in the first method, you are going to go ahead and try type in your chart request again and then generate it. If it still can't work, then come back and just go to charts. If that doesn't work, go ahead and launch a new chart and ask that question again. One of the reasons why this is common is because maybe your previous thread you are working on is full of charts and this is slowing it down. So if you go ahead, launch a new chart, now this should go ahead and give you a response without any issue. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and clear the app cache data, and for this just go out of your app and then just long press on your app and tap on app info if you are on Android smartphone. Now from the app info page, you need to go ahead and look for cache data. So for my case, I don't have any cache data, but should you have any, go ahead and tap on clear data and choose cache. However, if you can see it, you can also just go ahead and click on clear all data and then okay, and this will clear all the data. And go now and open your app, and this now should have solved any issue with your Gemini Google app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.